Good afternoon. I'm Jim Adamski with CDL Wisconsin Roth Sugar Bush. Today we're going to go through the basics of marking in a main line and shooting some elevations. For today's example, we are going to be using a Nikon Forestry Pro. Basically, this is going to shoot in our elevation of our main line. We have marked in our elevation for our discharge point of our main line at this height. That's the height that we need to go into our tank for this particular example. So what I'm going to do is I have Eric working with me today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to sight the angle in and get him started on the next wire anchor and then also on the anchor tree. So what we do is basically we set it up. I'm going to tell him to move it up or down. Eric, you can go down, down, stop. Okay, you can nail it there. And basically that's our first anchor, or our wire nailer for our tree. Okay. So when we use nailers, basically what a nailer is basically it is a 30 penny nail, 4.5 inches long through a piece of 4-inch long 1-inch main line. We nail this into the tree. We use a longer nail, so as the tree grows, basically the pipe will push out on the nail to compensate for our tree growth. When we put our wire through this device, we want to make sure that our wire goes underneath the nail, inside the nailer. So if we have a large tree or a limb fall across our main line, it will tear this pipe off the nail, and it should not break your main line wire. The next step of the process, I'm going to work with Eric. We're going to shoot the last elevation in for our anchor tree. Down. And right there is fine. You will see that for this particular example, we have a 2.5 foot incline on 54 feet. So that will be our grade for this particular line.